Are you a real estate agent who knows you need to incorporate video into your marketing and your promotions, but you're a little worried and concerned about it? Are you doing it now, but you're not happy with it? Are you want to do it, but you haven't started? Are you looking for more ideas on what kind of content to put out? Then you're in the right place. Let's talk. Hi, I'm Mike Cerrone with the Agent Success Summit. This is our brand new 2022 event where we're going to bring in 21 of the top industry trainers, coaches, authors, speakers, and thought leaders to share their best information with you to advance your career and take you to the next level. If you want to get a free ticket to this event, just go over to agentsuccesssummit.com and pick up your free ticket. By the way, this is a virtual online event that you can attend from any computer or a laptop or smartphone, anywhere you have an internet connection. You can join us and partake into this amazing summit. Again, we're going to have 21 speakers, and one of those speakers is Lee Brown. Lee Brown is going to come in and chat with us about video. She's going to talk about results-driven video, how she's made this work for her in her real estate career and getting a lot of inbound leads, inbound traffic. She's become a mini celebrity in her market doing this. And believe it or not, she was very afraid of doing video. She was nervous, didn't want to see herself on camera. So she came up with a lot of techniques that you might be able to employ. For instance, I'll give you an example. She doesn't edit her videos because she knows if she does, she'd be very critical about what she was doing, and the video would never make it out into the wild. Instead, she's able to put out a lot of content. People are able to get to know her. They like her. She's got a great personality, and it comes through because she's acting more naturally. That's just one of the many tips that she provides on how you can get this started, how you can get over any paralysis that you might have. Also, she's going to talk about the different social media mediums that you can use to get your content out there for free, including Facebook and YouTube and Instagram and Pinterest and LinkedIn. She's not only going to talk about the platform, the medium there, but also what they require that's different. For instance, the video orientation, something that's so simple. Some want it this way, some want it this way, based on your camera that you have in your phone. And so portrait and landscape, I believe, are the different names. Well, she's going to tell you which of those works for which medium, which one that they prefer, and also how you can get both in your videos so that you can promote on multiple channels. Pretty cool stuff, just right there. She's also going to talk about video length. You want short videos, medium videos, long videos, and which of those work best on each of the platforms. She's going to talk to you about how to get maximum exposure on these platforms. She's going to talk about the power of consistent posting, batching, so you can get a lot done in a short amount of time. This is going to just be amazing if you're interested in using video to promote your business, to get more and more leads to come into you that are already pre-sold on you. And that's the key with video, is people get to know you, they like you, they trust you, they're pre-sold on you. So the whole transaction that goes very smoothly from the minute they meet you all the way through to the end. If you want to learn how to do that, then you need to join Lee at her session inside the summit. Just go get your free ticket today at agentsuccesssummit.com. All right. And by the way, if you get there early, go ahead and register anyway, because you get access to 21 free gifts from the speakers. You're going to get immediate access to that just by registering. These gifts are tools to help you advance your career and move forward. They're a quick consumable that you can download, learn from, implement right away into your business, and make something happen to get some results that you want. So I invite you to come over and join us at the Agent Success Summit. Just go to agentsuccesssummit.com right now and get your free ticket so you can join us inside. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care. Bye.